Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fringy blanket for your dolls. The first thing you will be needing is a piece of fabric, like this. Second thing is a ruler. This will help you measure out your cuts. And a pair of scissors. Okay, first step is you will want to take your roller and mark out 3 inches, and you just want to cut there, cut 3 inches there, cut 3 inches down, and cut until you cut like 3 inches around to make a square. You just want to keep cutting out all these squares until you cut out all the corners of the piece of fabric. Okay, I have them all cut out. Now, you might have something like this, like you have an extra pieces of fabric. You can use those to make anything you want. That's like a miniature. You set that aside and take your ruler again and mark 1 inch, and you cut 1 inch down to where you have your corner cut. You keep cutting it all the way across on all 4 sides. Okay, I have all mine cut now. Now you're just gonna take 2 pieces and double knot them together. Just do this to all the sides. Okay, if you're like me and you have this extra piece on a row, you just get your scissors and cut it right off. Okay, it may look like you're done, but you're not. It may end up like all scrunchy like this. So you just want to pull it apart. Just want to pull it so it gets nice and loose, so it can fit around your doll. Okay, now I'm all done. It looks really nice, and it's a fringy blanket for my dolls. Here, this is how it looks on my doll, Stacy. Now, I hope you like this. Please like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye! Thanks for watching.